I passed the AWS Cloud Practitioner in 7 days. And here's the exact system that I used. Have you ever looked at the AWS and thought, this feels huge? Where do I even start? I get it. Most people think the AWS Cloud Practitioner takes months, but I passed it in 7 days while working full-time. And today I will show you the exact system I use. No theory, no endless note-taking, just a simple plan that actually works. Before we start, a quick reality check. This certification won't magically make you a cloud engineer overnight, but it does 3 things. It gives you cloud fundamentals, makes interview easier, and builds confidence to move towards solutions architect or DevOps. And if you follow this video, you will know what to study, how to study, and how to know when you're ready. What this exam really is. The AWS Cloud Practitioner is basically cloud concepts for humans. You're not expected to build production systems. You just need to understand what cloud is, basic AWS services, security fundamentals, and pricing and billing. Think of it as learning the language of AWS. The biggest mistake people make. Most people fail because they do this. Watch hours of videos, take beautiful notes, never test themselves. Learning feels productive, but exams reward recall, not passive watching. So instead of studying harder, study smarter. My 7-day plan. Day 1 and 2, content sprint. Your only goal is understand the big picture fast. I used one structured course and watch it at higher speed, not to memorize, just to understand. Here's the trick. Split your screen, course on one side, Google Doc on the other. Write simple bullet notes, not pretty notes, survival notes. Day 3, compression day. Now you compress everything. Rewrite your notes so they make sense to you. If you can explain a service in one sentence, you understand it. If you can't, you don't. Day 4, 5, 6, practice mode. This is where people actually pass. Start practice exams early. Yes, even if you feel unready. Your first score might be bad. That's good, because now you know your weak areas. Follow these rules. Do a full set of questions. Review only the ones you got wrong. Understand why, and repeat. Every round, you will feel faster and more confident. Day 7, exam simulation. Final day equals no new learning. Just review weak topics. Redo tricky questions. Calm your brain. Your goal isn't perfection, your goal is familiarity. My 2-part strategy. This changed everything for me. 1. Content binge. Treat AWS like a Netflix series. Watch fast, stay engaged. 2. Active recall. Stop reading. Start testing yourself. Your brain learns by retrieving information, not by staring at slides. And these are the resources that I used. I went to Udemy and I started with this theoretical course from Stefan Marek, the ultimate AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, that it's 14 hours long. And after completing it and having an overview, I went straight to the practice exams. And here you have plenty of options. I used this one from Stefan Marek that includes 6 practice exams, but there are also other options like this one from Neil Davis that has also 6 practice exams, or this one from Jason Dion. And if you want extra practice, you can also go to Tutorials Dojo and buy this pack with practice exams for $14.99 US. I really like Tutorials Dojo because it offers different exam modes: time mode, review mode, section-based tests, final tests, and also it includes flashcards, which are really useful while studying. I think that with all these resources, it will be enough for you to pass. And now let's see quickly the specs of this exam. So this is the official Amazon website, and here you see that the exam is 90 minutes long. It has 65 questions, multiple choice, and it costs $100. And one thing, if you pass this exam, then AWS offers you a 50% discount for your next exam. And this is very useful. How to know you are ready? Simple rule. If you are consistently scoring around 80-90% in practice exams, you are ready. If not, delay the exam. This test is expensive, so confidence is more important than rushing. Exam day tips. You should sleep well, seriously. Read questions twice. Eliminate wrong answers first, and don't panic if you see unfamiliar wording. AWS loves testing concepts, not memorization. And that's it. 7 days, focused effort, smart practice. And if you're starting cloud in 2026, this certification is one of the easiest ways to build momentum. After passing this certification, you should go for the Solutions Architect Associate. Click here to know how. And good luck! I will see you in the next one.